Hey everyone, this is meteorologist Brad Penovich for SkiSoutheast.com. Here's your ski forecast update, and it's a little mixed message here over the next couple of days. We're going to see some snow, but we're also going to see some rain and some mild temperatures. I'll get right to the details of this because this is kind of a crazy pattern. This is kind of what I expected with this La Nina pattern this season. We're going to see a lot of ups and downs here at the end of the season. You can see we've got a little bit of snow heading our way Tuesday morning. I left it out of the forecast for now because it's likely going to be some ice mixed in there as well. But yes, I do think snowshoe, winter place, areas north could see a wintry mix on Tuesday morning. The bigger system is heading our way for Wednesday, and there'll likely be mostly rain, though it could start as a little bit of snow or sleet up at snowshoe and then change to rain. But on the back side of this is when we're going to see our best chances of snow. Some pretty good northwest flow snow shaping up here. You can see it especially up here in West Virginia, Maryland, even down into North Carolina. So actually a pretty good little setup here on the back side of this storm Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And that might persist through Thursday afternoon in a couple locations until this high pressure builds in and kind of shuts everything off. But it will be cold enough for a couple days to make snow as well. So that's a really good setup for not only some natural snow, but at least some snow making as well. I'll send this all the way out through Thursday, and I'll show you some of these totals. You can see not huge amounts in North Carolina. We're looking at maybe a 1 to maybe outside chance for 3. Up towards Winter Place, 1 to 2. Obviously the bullseye again about 2 to 4, maybe 5 inches at Snowshoe, and then up towards Garrett County in Maryland. The bigger snows are going to be up in the Alleghenies as you go up into central PA. That seems to be the area that will get the best snow out of this system. So I do have a little snowflake for Tuesday up in West Virginia because I do think we're going to see a little bit of snow up there. I didn't make it blue because I don't think it'll be cold enough for snowmaking. It's going to be one of those wintry mixes, and down in North Carolina it's mainly going to be ice. Dry on Wednesday, but Wednesday night into Thursday, here comes that storm system. I should say dry. It's not going to be snowing. It's going to be rain. But on Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when we'll see the transition to snow. And Thursday, Friday, we will likely see a lot of northwest flow snow on the backside of this system and cold enough temperatures for making snow. So for the weekend, even though there's some warmer air coming in for the weekend, it does look like we'll have pretty good conditions, especially on Saturday in many of the resorts here across the southeast. So let's start looking ahead because we've got some big ski weekends coming up here, and we need to really get some nice weather. You can see the system coming through on Wednesday into Thursday. Backside snow Thursday and Friday. Maybe a little bit of snow on Friday with this secondary front up here to the north. This might drop down a little bit further south. Not sold on that yet. But you can see we're going to get some rain this weekend and some mild temperatures, especially on Sunday. I think Saturday might be halfway decent, but Sunday definitely looks like a pretty wet pattern. And then you see Sunday night into Monday, maybe a little burst of snow on the backside of that system. And early next week's going to be interesting because we might get some cold air trapped in here, and this little unsettled pattern early next week might be more snow-rain mix, but right now it's looking kind of marginal temperature-wise. But the pattern is really, really active. So, I mean, that's the one thing that at least we have going for us is that we've got a pretty active storm track. The only problem is it looks like the cold air is going to be mainly bottled up to our west. So I'll be posting updates throughout the week as this pattern unfolds. The one thing you got to know, don't write anything off yet. It doesn't look like we're going to blowtorch the rest of the season. It doesn't look like we're going to be cold. I expect a lot of wild, crazy swings. And with the active storm track, it only takes one of these to sync up with some cold air, and we could get a big one here across the southeast. Hope you have a great couple of days, and as always, still got a lot of season to go. Keep thinking snow.